guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a banana hair mask. And this hair mask will help reduce frizz and also make your hair very soft. I also have another hair mask that's an apple cider vinegar mask. And I uploaded it on Snapchat like the before and after, and a lot of y'all wanted me to make a video. So in case y'all still want me to, make sure you comment down below and tell me, and I will make a video on it. So the apple cider vinegar hair mask helps get shiny hair, and this hair mask helps to deep condition and get really soft hair. So for this you'll need 2 tablespoons of honey. So there's this myth that says honey makes your hair white, but it's completely false. Honey does have lightening properties, but if you want to get your hair like from really black to like dark brown, you'll probably have to use an entire bottle of honey every day for about like 3 or 4 months. So no, not at all is it going to make your hair grey or white. 2 tablespoons of the oil of your choice. I'll be using olive oil. 1 completely ripe banana. This banana is not really ripe, but I think it'll do. So make sure you discard the part of the banana that has seeds in it. This can be difficult with the ripe banana, but try to do it, because if the part with the seeds is still in your mixture, it's going to make lumps and get stuck in your hair. For this mixture, I use 3 bananas. It's going to depend on the length of your hair, how many bananas you're going to use. After this, I'm using this net. You can also use a strainer to do so. Put the banana in it and squeeze it out so that there are no lumps at all. Because if there are lumps, it's going to be very difficult to wash your hair. I know this process is very gross, but trust me, it's worth it. I used to blend the banana and then add it to the mixture, but this causes lumps and it takes a lot of time to get rid of it when you're washing your hair. So the net method is the fastest. The strainer also works, but it takes a lot of time. After this, start applying it to the lengths of your hair. I usually avoid the scalp because it makes it oily. And I prefer using my fingers and not a brush, even though it's a little messy. So this is my hair after the entire mask is on it. And I'm going to tie it and put it in a shower cap for about 20 minutes to half an hour. So this is how my hair is after I use the mask. It's very soft and smooth and whatnot. I can't stop touching my hair. Okay, so there are a few things that you need to remember before you try this mask. Firstly, you have to avoid lumps. That is, remove the seed part of the banana and do not blend it. That will cause lumps. Also, use a natural oil. Use like olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil. Do not use castor oil. Castor oil is thick, honey is thick again. So do not use castor oil. Make sure there are no lumps while mixing the mask. And when you start washing your hair, you'll have to start with warm water so that the honey that's made your hair really stiff can get melted. And then you can wash your hair and your scalp with shampoo. Also, if you've made a mistake and you find lumps in your hair, that means you've either not used the net method, I don't know what you've done, but you shouldn't be finding banana lumps in your hair. But if you do, then after you wash your hair, if the lumps are still there, let it be, let your hair dry. It's going to be easier to take off the lumps when your hair is dry. It's really difficult to take it out in the shower when your hair is wet. Firstly, avoid lumps as much as possible. It takes a lot of time to take it out. So guys, please try it out and let me know how it works for you. Also, comment down below if you want me to do the apple cider vinegar mask. And I have 2 more hair videos coming up, that is how to reduce hair fall and easy hairstyles. So make sure you're subscribed to get notified about it. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.